As that ball is crushed out in the left field. Fries going back, bye-bye. A solo home run. And the Eagles take a 1-0 advantage here in the bottom of the third.
Yeah, that's a hit. Sit down, ball.
There we go.
Turn it.
Go.
Crush to third. Morgan, the backhand grab, the throw to second. Relay back to first, the scoop from Tommy Bell. 1-1, rip right back up the middle. Travis Blue lays out and brings it in. The inning is over.
As you want, throwing the ball to second base.
Blue there, the flip the short way to second, and there's the ball game. Cody Knopf records the save. Brett Wheatley gets the win. Chase Jones gets the loss for the Rancho Santa Margarita Eagles. The Lancers go to 8-0 in the Trinity League, 9-0 in the Trinity League to remain in first place. And Brent Wheatley goes to 4-1 here in 2012, and this will set up the matchup next week between the Orange Lutheran Lancers and the Mater Dei Monarchs. Orange Lutheran took the first of the 3-game series, but here in this game it was Brent Wheatley who came out. Didn't have his best stuff here in the game, but he allowed just 2 base hits through his 6 innings of work. His only blemish of the game, a solo home run to Eric Fuller. Allowed 2 walks, struck out just 3 hitters, but he gets the win as the Lancers win here on the road against Rancho Santa Margarita.